Hello everybody, welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today we have our regular oven baked turkey wings, everybody. We have our ingredients already on top of the turkey and some onions inside of the casserole dish, as long as we have that flavor. We also have some chicken broth, better than bouillon chicken broth, with garlic. Okay everybody, now the first thing we're going to do is massage it in. We're going to massage it on in, you know, like how you have your man on a Friday night, everybody. Okay, this is great for Thanksgiving, this is great for Soul Food Sundays, or just because you just want some turkey wings instead of doing a whole turkey, everybody. Okay, this is about flavor that goes throughout your turkey, everybody. Okay, now after you massage it on in really good, you're gonna make sure it has a lot of flavor. Okay, and make sure you guys follow the description to the T, because you want to make sure that you have flavor. If you don't have flavor, if you're dating a man and it's some bland regular salt and pepper turkey, he ain't gonna stay long. Trust me. Okay everybody, so it's about the flavor in your men, ladies. Okay, now stay tuned. So if you go back and look at our oven turkey wings that we made before this one, everybody, smothered turkey wings, the ones before this one, it had a little bit of a different type of gravy. But this time we're going to do something a little different. And you see all them succulent seasonings all throughout? We didn't put as much seasoning salt on it this time, okay everybody? And we just kind of eliminate that a little bit, because we're going to go ahead and add this Lipton onion soup mix. So when you add this over this tops with flavor as well, and it has salt in it as well. So we want to make sure it's all good and all thoroughly, nicely seasoned. Okay, everybody, it's about the flavors, right? Now, I guarantee you, ladies, you're going to keep your man on this one. You're going to really keep him, okay? Now, I'm going to add some parsley flakes. And parsley flakes, just some, you know, regular dried parsley flakes on top of that, okay everybody? And now we're gonna massage it on in there, ladies. Now remember, when you massage it, you're massaging it like it's your man, ladies. This is how you keep your man. You understand me? Okay? My granddaughter, oh, here she comes. Hey grandmother, what you got going on here? I have the other side of how we do our turkey wings. Oh, nice. So is it going to be like the same one? No, it's going to be a little different. So this time, like I was saying before, we're going to do our gravy just a little bit different this time, you know, to eliminate some of that salt from, you know, people that can't really have that much salt. So we're going to use the onion soup mix. Oh yeah, that's a wonderful agent to have in your meats. Yep. And so we're going to do it like this. Make sure it's all throughout, everybody. Don't be afraid. Massage that wing there, okay? Just like that leg. Just go ahead and massage it on in there. Put all them herbs, everybody. That's the flavor you're looking for. That's what we're talking about. You know what, herbs are different when you have some good old seasoning. I know that's right. You can't be having no regular salt and pepper. That's my pet peeve. I'm sorry. I just can't do it. I just can't. All right, now you guys stay tuned for the next step. So this is the onion soup mix that we use, everybody, to put onto these turkey wings here, okay? We also just added in some of this wonderful chicken broth right here that I have boiled already. Better than bouillon is the way to go. And what I did was I poured it on the sides here, and over here, and over here, and in between here, because we just want to bring moisture to our turkey legs while they're cooking, everybody. And we're going to make it into a nice gravy. So let me show you how we did it. We went like this. And they're trying not to touch the chicken wings, the turkey wings, because you want to keep that flavor on there. But if not, it's okay. It's all going to be all incorporated in the same dish anyway. Then, after this part, we're just going to add just a little bit of flour into this, okay? And that's what's going to make your gravy for your turkey wings, everybody, okay? Look at that. See them nice juices over there? They're going to be boiling and sizzling together and be just perfect. Now, we're going to add our flour. All right, here's the flour. Just a little bit. You see this? This is regular all-purpose flour. We're going to put it up here and on the side right there and down here. And here, and just a little bit more, not too much. We don't want it too thick, everybody. We're gonna have it going here in the middle, and right here, and here. and right here. And the rest is just gonna all formulate in itself, everybody, okay? So look at that again, flowers, pockets in between here and here. Kind of mix that up a little bit there. Yes, indeed, oh baby, oh my mind. You know, I never knew how to make gravy, grandmother. Well, that's why I'm showing different opportunities and different ways of how to make gravy. I know some people feel intimidated by making gravy. This is looking really nice right here. You see this thickness right here? This is nice. Okay, but some people feel intimidated by making gravy and they just won't do it. They'll buy that jar stuff and, you know, and I know jar stuff. I can tell when it's real gravy and not real gravy. Yeah, me too. All right, so we're going to go ahead and mix this up like this and this is all. That's all we have to do. Now we're going to cover this up with some foil, everybody, okay? And we're going to let this marinate for about an hour. Then we're going to pop it in the oven for 400 degrees, covered up for a good hour and a half. And then we're going to uncover it. And then we're going to see how it turns out because we want it to brown, everybody, okay? All right. There we go. Stay tuned. All right, everybody, it's been an hour and a half. We're removing the foil. As you see, we took the spoon there to help us remove this foil because it's super hot, everybody. It's be very careful. Now, ooh, grandmother, that smells so good. Exactly, look at that. So we're gonna go ahead and take some of this nice succulent, nice gravy on the side over here. I can't even talk, I'm just drooling at the mouth. Take the gravy and put some on top because remember, we're gonna let it brown next. We're gonna do the browning stages in the oven for another 20 to 30 minutes, and then there it is. Voila, look at that. Look at that. Look at, oh, it's just delicious. Oh, grandmother, I can't wait. And it looks so tender. Oh, yeah, it's definitely going to be tender. We're going to show it how you do this. Because you know when it's tender, when you can take a spoon and you go ahead and peel the meat off. But look at it. We're going to put some more of that juice on it. Let it sit, cool off. Here we go. Look, we're peeling it apart right here with the spoon, everybody. No knife, no fork, nothing. Make sure you guys follow us for more on our YouTube channel at Mama Soul Kitchen.